Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to make a bow just using 2.5-inch ribbon. I'm going to take the ribbon and just give myself a little bit of tail, and I'm going to twist it because it's in between the two pegs. I'm going to do 5-inch loops. I'm going to measure this. And since we're going in between the pegs, I'm going to twist this. Five inches, and I always make sure, just to make sure I'm right. Okay, and I'm going to twist this so the design side is down. I'm going to do another 5-inch loop. Twist it. And we'll do one more 5-inch loop here. And I'm gonna and then I twist it, and I always like to do the middle with 2 fingers here. I like to come back with a nub. Call it a nub that I'll be cutting off after. And then since the ribbon's upside down right now, I'm gonna cut the ribbon just like that. No need to worry about that. And we're going to, I'll just cut some, give myself a few inches here, and then I'll kind of do this, do a twist, and there we go. I gave myself a little too much room, but let's see how that's gonna look. Yeah, that should be good. And then I'm gonna take my handy dandy zip tie here, and I'm going to a zip tie on here. And before you get this too tight, I put a pipe cleaner through here. I'll try to make sure it's kind of even. And pull this tight. And now you can fluff your bow. Actually, hold on here. I want to cut these extra little ends off that you had to put in so you could put the other ribbon tail in so it wasn't upside down. And then I'll fluff the bow. I just want to make sure I'm not going to cut any of the ribbon. There we go. Now I'll fluff this. This will be your center. And then I like to you move your, go up here and here. That's what makes, and sometimes you just have to adjust it. And then let's see here. There. Now I like to always make sure the tails are about the same length here. Should I give myself a little extra? And then I dovetail the ends here. I'll show you how to do that. I'll fold it in half, and then just do a angle up. And I'll do the same thing for this side. Fold it in half, few inches, go up just a little bit. And sometimes you don't cut it right the first time, and then you might have to cut it again. But you'll do the same thing, but just don't take as much as you would have. There we go. Looks better. And that is how you make a bow. And come back, and I'd cut off the zip tie in the back, just like this. Almost forgot about that. And come back next week and see what we what we put this bow on. I have a project in mind, so can't wait to show you what the project will be next week.